Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to the 80K Woods Walker channel. I'm Jay, and today we finished the 46. Stick around. Before we started this hike, we actually stayed at Draper's Acres Campgrounds in Lake Placid, New York. We got to do some car camping, which typically means a whole lot of ridiculous food and fun the night before a hike, and this was no different. John went all out. He had steaks on the rotisserie over the fire, he had burnt pork ends in the smoker, some beans, mac and cheese, and it was amazing. We knew we had to wake up early to maximize the amount of sun we had for the hike, so we called it a night pretty early and got some sleep. The plan was to get to the Round Pond Trailhead on Route 73 around 6 o'clock in the morning so that we could get some parking spaces. Well, we showed up at about 20 after 6, and the main parking area was already full, so we had to park down the road. Didn't really matter because we still found parking and we got on the trail before sunrise.
Congratulations, boys!
Woo!
Oh,
It's
look,
like
I see a
getting
marker.
married. Oh, I can't do it. The whole thing.
I lost you. I lost you.
Woohoo!
Yeah!
Yes! Woo! Woo!
This is my favorite part of these. You guys may notice when Mark finished the Catskills, I really like giving out the swag. So I got you guys some bandanas.
Nice.
Oh, they're bandanas.
That's awesome.
We've also got deep in the swag bag here that I carried all the way up here for some reason.
No wonder it took you so long.
Your first 46er patches.
Dude, nice. That's awesome.
Did you bring the iron?
Yeah, we gotta get these on right now.
I brought the pewter because
Ooh, pewter.
an anonymous subscriber of your channel wanted you guys to have copies of the geodesic summit marker that's down there.
Dude, that's incredible.
Now this is all of the good news. Here's the bad news.
Wow,
And
that
I'm
is awesome.
Speaking from experience, you think you're done. Now is about the time that somebody you care about or some member of your family says, "Hey, let's go hiking. I want to get all 46."
That's awesome.
Have fun with that.
Thanks, dude.
Yep.
I really appreciate you.
Well done, guys.
I appreciate all you guys. Thank you very much.
Well done, guys.
Group hug.
Thank you very much for coming out and doing all the hikes with us. I really appreciate each and every single one of you guys.
You're welcome.
I started my hiking of the high peaks on Cascade and Porter with a very good friend, Andrew, who couldn't make it today. And that was on November 7th, 2015. So here we are, just shy of 7 years doing these 46 high peaks. And it's been incredible. Been an incredible journey. And I'm grateful for every step, every scrape, bruise, fall down the mountain, all the sore muscles and all the caked on mud. You know, it is October 1st, 2022. We do these hikes for mental health, and today is, it's important to finish today because it's the first day of Hike October. So thank you very much. I appreciate all of you, and I'm so excited that we finished. Like, it's awesome.
So for me, it was a little bit longer, technically. My first peak was back in August of 1991, and that was Wright Peak, followed shortly after by Algonquin on the same day. However, I have done with Jay almost all of the ones that I started back then, except for Wright itself and for Cascade, weirdly enough. But every other peak I redid, and always had at least Jay, if not one of you jokers, with me, and that's huge, because really the reason I come out here is not really to peak bag, it's to spend time with you guys. So it's been a long journey for me, a couple of repeats, but it's just amazing to finally have finished and to stand here and look at all the mountains.
Dude, we climbed all those.
That we've climbed. Like, the whole range is all visible from here. And that's an epic way to finish this. To see everything we've done. And then we can look across and see the greens and go, well, now we got to go over there.
Northeast 111 are next.
Woo! But thank you guys. Thank you all. Thank you subscribers. Thank you for all the help and support and comments and love you guys have always given us. And thank you, Jay.
Thank you, dude. After we spent a whole bunch of time on the summit of Dix and took a bunch of pictures, ate some food, had some celebratory drinks, just chatted, hung out, and enjoyed the moment, we started the more than 6.5 mile trek back down to the car to make sure we got out of the woods before dark. Here we go. Done.
It is official.
It's officially official.
Officially
For
checked
real?
out.
We're 46ers, my friend. Now it's time to get some food and some drinks. Let's go. All right, and just like that, we are Adirondack 46ers. Summited Dix Mountain today, and it was awesome. We could not have asked for better weather. The company was amazing. I want to thank all the guys that came out to support Mark and myself completing this journey. Like I've said before, I've got lists of lists, so this is just one list that's finally completed, and I'm pretty excited. So I hope you enjoyed the adventure. If you did, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, but most importantly, I hope that we've inspired you to get outside and do something awesome. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.